Hi everyone, welcome to HubNut. This is relating to the latest video over on the main HubNut channel. So if you've not watched that yet, it's about reverse lights on Bella de Berlingo here. Do go and check that out, because I need to explain. I've obviously done a really rubbish job in the video. We had a problem in Bella de Berlingo that developed at some point, I'm not sure exactly when, that if you operated the front windscreen wipers, the rear wiper would come on every time, whatever gear, neutral, any forward gear and reverse. It is meant to do that in reverse gear. It's one of those convenience features, so you don't have to turn on the rear wiper. It comes on automatically when you put it in reverse if the front wipers have been activated. So something had gone wrong. It was happening all the time. We'd be driving down the road with the front wipers on and the rear wiper dragging on the screen because it was bone dry, because the rain was only hitting the front window. So today, in unrelated we thought news, no reverse lights. So we thought we'd replace the rear, the bulbs for the reverse lights. Unfortunately, I then got all confused, and first of all I thought we'd fix the issue with the wiper, because it seemed to be that when I operated the front wipers, the rear one no longer worked. But then I'd forgotten that I put it back in reverse to test the reverse light bulbs for something else. So I thought the same problem was still there, that it was doing it whatever gear. So that was confusion on my part. That's why I pulled the fuse out. The fuse is back in now. So let's play a game, shall we? I'll put the gear shift in neutral. If I operate the front wipers, which are lifted off the screen, the front wipers operate, the rear wiper doesn't. That is exactly how it should work. I can go all the way up to fast. They're waving around in the air. Nothing is happening at the back. That is exactly what's meant to happen. Now, if I tip the gear lever into reverse, I can see my reverse lights have come on now. Ooh, it's dark enough to see. And if I operate the fronts again, there's the rear coming on as it should. Back into neutral, just the fronts. So everything is now working as it should do. In the forward gears, just the front wipers work. If I'm in reverse like that, operate the fronts, the rear one comes on. That convenience feature is now working as intended. So it really is true. If the rear wiper starts misbehaving on your Berlingo, it could be as simple as both your reverse light bulbs have gone. It's one of the most peculiar things about this setup. There must just be something, the way things are earthing, the signals of the computers getting that controls all this, because it isn't switches, there's a little computer. It's obviously all related to this. But looking at the comments tonight, I have failed to explain this really badly, or actually I've done a really good job of explaining it very badly in the main video. Hence this little hub notes, just to correct the matters, and I'm going to put a link to this in that main video. So thank you for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Still in reverse, don't worry.